Girl, put your hands behind your back.
Oh God. Oh God.
Stand up.
Oh my God, Daddy, I swear to God, I didn't have his phone. He did that. Mommy, he did that. I swear to God.
So how did his phone end up in your car?
Just go. I mean, Mommy, just go. Just go, Mommy.
How did his phone end up in your car?
Mommy, just go. Mommy, just go.
What's up, man?
Sorry, this young lady right here just committed a hit and run.
Who did she hit?
She hit a guy on Australian Boulevard. It was a van, white van. She also has my phone. I gave her my phone to give her my number. She tried to ride off. I followed behind her in pursuit, and while I was behind her, she ran into another truck.
Okay, did you get your phone back?
It's in her car. She has it. So I stolen merchandise. I do want fresh charges.
All right, let's one step at a time. This is a lot. So one step at a time. Do you have that man's phone?
I'm sorry.
Do you have that man's phone?
Stop it! No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Brought it to this one. I'm 10-12 with both parties. Do you have that man's phone?
Man's phone.
Do you have his phone?
No.
He didn't give you his phone for something and you took off with it.
No.
All right, do you have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Are you driving this vehicle?
Yes, it's my car.
Okay, let me get your information. All right, what's your name?
Monique.
Monique? All right, so how did you get the damage on the front end of your vehicle?
I accidentally hit my car.
Okay, what do you hit?
Him.
Who'd you hit?
Him.
The city truck?
Him.
Who's him? I don't know who
The
him is.
dude right there. You do know who's him is. Him. Him.
All right, where's the vehicle you hit?
Him.
Okay, he's not a vehicle. Where's the vehicle you hit?
It was him.
Okay, sit tight.
Don't let her get away with my phone. It's an iPhone.
What's that?
She has my iPhone.
I'm getting there.
Okay. So I can give you my phone number to call if you need it.
Did she hit you?
No, she hit a car on Australia, and I followed the car. Like, she hit the person pulled over to the right, and she sped off. So the only right thing to do is to catch the person. And once I seen her pulling here, I was like, hey, call the cops. You know? She ran in and she made contact with the guy in the blue. I guess she was trying to go in there to talk to him. That's the only person. The other two were just spectators. I stayed outside with the car while she went in there.
Do me a favor, turn your car off.
Sorry?
Turn your vehicle off.
Tina. Yeah.
Let me see the keys.
Tina.
You have the keys? Do you have the keys to the vehicle?
I need you to, like, send somebody up here.
You're gonna need a ride. Let me see the keys to the vehicle.
Oh my God. Tina, they really finna arrest me.
Did I say I was arresting you?
No. Tina. I'm in West Palm Beach.
Let me see the keys. Let me keys. Thank you. Hold on. Calm down. Do you mind if I check your vehicle? Do you mind if I check your vehicle? Ma'am. Ma'am.
Go! Those are my parents. Those are my parents right there. Like,
I understand, but this is your vehicle.
Go! This is my vehicle.
Okay, so can I check the vehicle to make sure the cell phone's not in there? I have permission to go inside your car.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's in here, bro.
Where I hear it ringing. Hey, keep it going. I gotta find it. Yeah, I have it on video.
So this is your phone?
No.
This is your phone?
Girl, put your hands behind your back.
Oh God. Oh God.
Stand up.
Oh my God, Daddy, I swear to God, I didn't have his phone. He did that. Mommy, he did that. I swear to God.
So how did his phone end up in your car?
Just go. I mean, mommy, just go. Just go, mommy.
How did his phone end up in your car?
Mommy, just go. Mommy, just go. Mommy, like, don't you?
This is the Apple Watch that you gave me.
Correct.
To ping.
Correct.
This is your cell phone that is
Correct.
pinging.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you unlock this phone so show proof that is your cell phone?
It's my face.
Your face is open. This is your cell phone.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
I would have did that.
Sit, actually, you know what? Come to my car. We'll go in my car.
You think I would have did that if I had it? Mommy, go home. Go home. Go home. No, take my keys. Take the keys to my car.
Keys are going with the tow.
Yeah, he said you want her.
I swear to God, mommy, I did not. I'm telling you, Mom. Oh God, you don't have to just smack me like that. I'm sorry.
If I tell you to walk somewhere, you walk
I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna do what you're telling me to do, mommy. I didn't, but I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't.
And I asked you for a driver's license.
No, I swear to God.
And I asked you, face my car.
Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I swear, mommy, I didn't. I didn't.
Didn't.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in.
You be willing to do a sworn statement?
Yeah, most definitely.
Okay.
Most definitely, yeah.
All right. Let me. I got your info.
Got a card if you needed to.
That'd work.
Yeah.
Go ahead and start.
Okay, so seen a young lady at the light,
Which light?
45th in Australia.
Okay.
Rolled the window down. You know, we just chit-chatting. Asked if I get the number. You know, we just talking. I said, hey, put your number in my phone. Did like this. Gave her my phone. She literally pulled off with it. So I went right behind her, followed behind her. She pulled off a little bit on the right. We were going south on Australia. She pulled a little bit off on the right near the park. So I jumped out the truck. I said, hey, I need my phone. She's like, I'm not giving you your phone. She pulls off, darts past the light. There was a white van in the right lane right in front of her. She tried to kind of merge over to the left lane, but she cut it too close and she sideswiped the white van. At that point, the white van pulled over to the right. She kept going. As she got closer towards Gaines Park, she turned into Gaines Park and, of course, parked right here. At this point, I didn't have my phone on me, so I couldn't call the police officers. I waved down a couple people and I said, hey, if I could just get your phone. I waved down a couple people, hey, can you call 911? Call 911. Someone eventually called 911, and of course, you guys showed up on the scene. In the meantime, she walked inside of, I don't know what center this is, but she walked inside the center, and she made contact with the young gentleman in the blue on the basketball court.
Okay. So you did lose sight of her?
I never lost sight of her.
But when she walked inside?
When she walked inside of here, that's when I lost sight of her.
You lost sight of her?
Right.
Okay. All right. What kind of phone did you have?
iPhone 14 Max, Pro Max.
What color?
Black.
Okay. And what intersection did you hand your phone over to her to put a number in?
45th in Australia.
Okay. And then you followed her here. At what point did you at any point tell her give you your phone back or anything like that?
Yes, once we pulled over, I said, hey, give me my phone, what are you doing?
Here or somewhere else?
No, it was when we were on Australia, heading south, right before that first light, and there's a park right there, right before the first light. We pulled over, there's like kind of like a little side park you can pull
it's
over
like
on.
15th? Or Kirksey?
I don't know the street exactly.
Okay.
But I know it's right in front of that first light, and there's like a park there, and there's like a little park you can kind of like pull over on.
Mm-hmm.
She pulled over on that, and I pulled over right behind her. I said, hey, I need my phone. She's like, I'm not giving you your phone. Darts off. And when she darted off, white van was right in front of her. She tried to kind of switch lanes, but she didn't gauge it right and wound up in the white van right in the back.
So I'm going to read you this, all right? So I need you to acknowledge yes or no on every question I ask, okay? Okay? Hello?
I know my rights. Yeah.
Okay. I'm recording only information and the constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and answer any questions. Do you understand? They say you make freedom of answer. You have the right to the presence of a representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make a statement during any question. Do you understand?
Yes.
You cannot afford a lawyer. You are entitled to the presence of a lawyer before you make a statement during any question. Do you understand?
Yes. I would love to know though, how did
If
you keep me in here before you grant me these rights? So
let me finish this first.
I would love to know how was I locked in this car.
Let me finish first, and then we can talk about that. If at any time during
Oh my God! Yes, I know my rights.
Are you gonna let me finish? If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
I make no further promises to do so. Make a statement. Do you understand?
Yes.
Any statement can be used against you in court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, with your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? With your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me, ma'am?
What do you have for me? What?
You're under arrest for theft. For grand
No,
theft
no, I'm not
for a
theft.
$1,400 phone.
What?
The phone that you gave.
Are you serious? No, I am not. No, and no. Am I ever for theft? No, and no, and no, and no, and no. No,
Okay.
and no.
You gave me
no.
permission on camera to look in your vehicle for that phone, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I found the phone in your vehicle. The man identified that phone as his phone.
I did not know. Hello, wherever your camera at, I'm looking in your camera and I'm telling you, I did not know that phone was in my car. So no, I'm not gonna steal no phone. Why would I steal a phone? Hello, no.
Are you gonna talk to me? Or are you
Yes, I'm gonna talk to you.
Then lower your voice.
Yes, I'm gonna talk to you, and I'm telling you though, like no. Intent means everything, and I don't know how that. He was in my car. He sat in my car.
He sat in your car.
He sat in my car. Like, why would I steal a phone? I don't give a fuck about a phone.
So how'd the phone end up in your car?
Oh my God, I swear to God, I don't know. If that phone was in my car, it's because he left that in my car. He sat in my car.
So at any time did he pull up next to you and ask for his phone back?
Dude, no.
So he never pulled up to you driving down here and asked for his phone back?
Dude, if he did, he could have got his phone. And I swear to you, I swear to you, I don't care about his phone. He could have got his phone. If at any time he pulled up to next to me and said, hey, I want my phone back, he could have gotten his phone back. Like,
well, he's stating he did, so you probably should have given it back to him at that time.
Oh my God.
The phone was found in your possession in your vehicle.
So you're telling me right now, whatever, okay, I'm telling you, and I am telling you, at any time that man wanted his phone, I just met him today. Like, who is he? Who is he for me?
I don't know, you tell me. How do you know?
Who the is he? You tell me, like, who the is he?
Okay,
for
why
me?
was his phone in your car then?
Dude, please. And look, that's my mom right there. Like, mommy, I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm telling you, I swear to God.
Step out of the vehicle for me.
Oh my God, no, I'm telling you, I swear to God. Like, I don't give a about that man.
Turn around.
I really.
I have to take this necklace off you. You can't take the ride with that.
Oh my God. Mommy, I am, but mommy is.
I know, do what they telling you. Be still, baby. Be still.
I am. Oh God.
Hold it, guys. Leave it on.
What are you doing?
You take the other one off, please. We're gonna put it in your property. We'll put it in your property.
Mommy, I'm so sorry. Like,
Monique, stop
mommy,
swearing
I'm so
and do
sorry.
what
But
they
mommy,
tell you.
this is bull. Mommy, my car.
All right, go ahead. Sit back in the vehicle.
Mommy, you got Marley? Mommy, do you have Marley? Mommy, do you have Marley?
Sit down in the car, please.
Do you have Marley?
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, thank you.